Which colors?
I done with pink, I done with green, I done with blue.
You did all of those?
And I did a different color.
A different color.
Orange, brown, and gray. Oh, this one and that one and that one. Sweet.
Why don't you do more of the green?
No pink.
Okay, pink. Hey, are you gonna have a little brother?
Yes.
What's his name?
Brayden.
Brayden.
Goodbye.
Hey, we're not gonna say goodbye yet. Hey, do you want some people to come over and see Brayden?
Yes.
Like who?
Like Grandma and Lisa and Cameron and Bella and Andrew and Papa and Grandma. And Allison Blake. And Cameron and Lisa.
You want them to come and see us? They want to come see Brayden too? Okay, tell them.
I want to paint, Mom.
Who are you talking to?
Grandma.
You talking to Grandma? Are you gonna show them how to paint when they come down here?
I'm going to show him all the colors and paint.
Cool.
I'm going to paint for him.
Wow.
The packaging.
Okay, who do you want to come see us? Who do you want to come see us in Brayden?
Grandma.
Grandma? And who else?
Papa.
Who else?
Lisa.
Leisha? And who else?
Carrie.
Carrie? Who else?
Bella.
And
Andrew. Blake. Allison. And Papa and Grandma.
Cool. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Say see you later.